primary school kwada just say why teacher ni a wo de be percent kwala na discipline na primary school kwada kwatwa ayima teacher no me ka enye mema sab de ka teachers ankasa madam fo ne Mr. for omoye ayi. And you see, disturbing. See. Now, Semeba say I'm emotional. I'm emotional. No, I'm emotional because you see,
Akoma
and near ma
87.9 Kumasi.
Quiet teacher ni bi crab fast word through community. And he said, yeah, and near mobile fem. Oria na nkwada no so awofo timi de ntoma bom mu besen ami hu emabo na
Akoma
FM
87.9 Kumasi.
Fire mu
87.9
bonus sutro ebi da o na o after say ono kra kwaye na adwuma wi abede fie no wo fie na ye panabo anyway ye be kwa agogo me mpota mumu a na ye wo no agogo as the assembly member our committee suicide. Anything. I said, no one
Akoma FM 87.9
I am assembly member. Ajuma Bay. Abrantia, come on. Oh. Nah, where the oh. Anyway, but I don't pay WhatsApp line no. Voice note no 0539 199968 0539 199968.
Akoma FM.
We need much for
Kumasi.
Ubetimi share your experience no be with us. There be a share, but there be also a share because also a kaya who say na a tier 4 ne awfo 80 and say Sabi a Jumano Entimin Kasu will be a Jumano ye 100%. But me would a pass a Jumano at a chef for the door na ewo pepa. Akoma pa so mo be som aye mo friend ye dia mayen awofo
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Okay. Enti ye besre se eya na kwan efa so a ye dia chekirefo efa emu no eya na nye enye niema ye di ya cheche for do na anye cheche ni bia ni ho a na me ka na ese bi wo ho a omadwuma no sinto ho ye be ka de but utie bi de a na komo wo akoma papa de mayen ene ye ma ne ye busuafo ni so ye ne amwa media prince kwaku ba air reporter ewa gogo na in fact story no me ntiase prince Machen.
Yes, opening.
Hey, asam na ro pa.
What's that working? Papa.
Oh. Na eba ne say.
When Akoma 87.9 FM and for any chief in our okay. And for us of Johnson North Municipality, Agogo. Na Obipima, one wife and a petty assembly member on our Dixon, Papa say. One of the youngest assembly member or association of municipal association of districts. I don't know. When you want to show a bit, it's 29 to 30 years, and I belong to you, Dimara. And you know, no 25 couldn't in that year, so I belong to I said, oh, I'm not going to them or financially fear here. Association of the unique copy or so they not and correct and I said no correct. So you could be more nice somebody to see you. I said the through the copy more or on the down one casatia if you just yeah then quality or na branch or the electric iron my key will be the ascend fine who could know we are cushion and social table you do not see an episode you not sure Sebi, obi di anase and the person to the country ma action about na enya ndikakura obi sebi sabi and keep you this police for this assumption there obi ti go papa bia da jama no na papa na one ne and now be bro ya day ni ya day na say abranche no bi na sama ho as na o head and kan go manipa as na he is very well keeping the heart but ozero teach ni mean teach bibia safi na adiachi yego police for na kwa bisa bisa winchi mu papa say dia ne see dia ne buy the tea by la mama on our Dixon about ya we see no so adi fira bi on ko biasa ati ni aska na ko enwa na kasana dem
very young man
87.9
very young and look at that I'm not that your Facebook page is Akoma 87.9 on it does abrantia I mean but also an assembly member.
Yeah, assembly member. Of course, the first time I recall some judging of municipal assembly maybe. I said, that was 2 years ago. Very young. I am not going to original campaign the man.
Hey, one man is here. One pijana. Just say, Ocean white come on. One pijano to boy. Mranti babuna wa kasa I mean. Dia wona mu wona mu ye kama mranti nti
ye na obi sadi ana say ona wo desin ko bro say so do go afero no you are going to get to kasama ma so aso wa ko so nwa isi me yini dia na titi ablanti dia na ha ablanti na otimi ase na adi ba ko ni say ablanti yi obi a you know, issue. I say a normal effort assembly and can have so if you say no man, United States of America, India, Burma, or US, free send could be a baby had a sales casino and can be decided and take to the side. If you know, then a high and like here, or what's an welcome fee, it's me, even the harvest.
Na onu obia Montes obia onu obia so adidi nkomo se ne nafofuo mu bia wa ka bibia
enwa ya se da okay enwa ba sa no my fear free no na se se dey work in the ambition fee no na ba bi agoro no eri aso koto to form the HT ye mu bi so se dey the plan the ya ablanti amona ani ti do mi what you affair no now very big on the 1st of January no ablanti a omo campaign in the ma omo front liners no wakati bi no so dey no and na so about the tia no nyemosumi etia ti na mi adama so akola ba sa so omo hwe akola ba pa asema na ke ka tiro so ma ablanti ni bi itakra who bought me the first looking at you now omo monetary pa ebi so kira say nra na fu bi say o from o kuma say catch am say onu bi obese no akon ano ye no na aso no HBC na so right ni bi ke kasa so na pay na ye be bo apini right ni bi ni ya police station o bi so mo se se so ta na so bi tia asa na be no nko no fa be bi ba ko na police ho fa ye mo ni ko abo President hospital na pay ade ati ye be police for the bi so mo ye important pa ti ro no ye dia so to for no so kakra e fa ho no
na Prince mami Musa omo kodru ho no hwe because e betima baso se bia obi so na e bia wadi ni bone na ode no asen soro ho sa bacho posi for ba e no a omo koye no na demo ho ne environment no to say
o le demo ha ja no but we are assemblea and kasana there na kasana wodi ahon se no so bi am so e huku na kasa ene bo ana secretary bu sia sia bi bia interesse as operation ono bi kreso kana so ono bi ekoham so dem ho as na wasi na ajun pise o papa ko yes ade no pise o ura o bi an kwa o ana so ono bi ham so an ka dem be e preso ana so the normal gugu na ko mo dem ho na no ma bi asisi be sisi seta TV sio ane se no ma sisi wa se no akon nje no bisa ya you call them no bi an kire se ase onu bi aha so na se onu bi ya atri so dem ho
ana e ho no so manfo a wono mo wo fie ho no e fie a onu kwa na te ana se dan wa han a onu nko 40 fie ho
e ho kwa na ti wo fie ho you know, according to normal, according to normal, according to normal, according to normal boys, they can be a native year. India, a year, a branch or India from 10 years or years. And as you could, you know, as you don't want to about what if you will be anti you become.
Oh, I see. And the body no. As we speak, fan.
Well, but you know, I go beyond our vocation hospital, and then you may get it. The non do the fun. The copy of our fortune. Now, what they got to for that investigation. Generally, police for me now, a copy of our measure. So now, everybody got to.
Wow. Na mbacho oba no a woni no o ka che na mfo so onyim bosome ensia no oba a woni na ware ana say empratwe
ya empratwe
oba no as we speak mo hu no ono neti ana say saying
according to mo mo ana bi amone na mo bi ono oba no chin baby na be man chin baby since if you knew you na no my money it's said that you know you be an amo them and about that them and thing because now as I said the them and so no that is so about it in the baby and them and so it's in the baby
but then you anum bi abusuafo ni bi aba san ka sele maame wa abruchire enti nenu anum o anuafo a bia mu ayi omuti aba so I can be an answer and they won't that information.
No, it's not this year. But I'm on Kasai, Papa, about Papa. I'm so on Kasai, and then that's would be a bottom, be a motor eyes, I have a pay. And he said, you two one Kasa, or maybe so funny didn't come up. So we have lunch, police forum some more water, and then they are a threat to be in a family in a national. They were quite ready to the
Prince, that's it. That's it.
Yeah, that's okay.
For a reporter, Prince Kwakuba, I did that report. I did free. I will go to the in fact, by a Facebook page. A young man. Yeah, share. Nicha washa just say on one case politics here, dear. Then it the see yenim said the reporter boy amane no enne na obedi akiri na the police for you mu omaye eno so mo amaye hu hwehwe mu afi omama ya tiase wo mo checks yeah almost what me established very sad, very very sad young man out to show one boys me adane pa boys no be adane papa unfortunately yeah, in one of the videos so you say they know what you know you say they nyame mo e no ya obi ni nema na wo komu but ana no pena make abrabona ah ona e bono
Akoma
said yeah pena make said you isi so na fana de enini ano so onam humbo say ebo this ejo so am mo ewura shape ni ma itimi ekọ na ni kama ne ba say hum no ebo na ewura shape ni mu a ho na abeti se yesi oh shape no amem asenke na asa adane nti abrabo na ye bo no there are a lot of things, a lot of challenges e ka ho bi obehia bi na mum eba e mani nwura wo mu ebi aya na ebi a to say footballers yeah so radio presenters sometimes oh sorry day ni nyina kwa wie na wo koda oh sorry to say
87.9
enema bebre ha je baro mani wura mu a that day no ubenya that challenge, you know, and of course ebasa it will affect wajuma wo ye nyina affect wetie fo nso nyina eba epem no agya ne kwan obi bebusa de na abranti ko mu de nkwa ne siye e kambrabo no ho disappointment no disappointment meet me ba ade bia na won expect pass business ebe pem na emum ba mani nguraw dabi minua kwabena bamfo I say John the all can no crepa me am a suffer same as teacher ni it tries to shape bad behaviors of primary school pupils for Mother Ghana. In fact, say teacher for a koswa said the ekoya nyane sa na say mo koswa attack ye na yanka hwede ya ban no and say inya so bi amfa because a teacher for na shape
Akoma FM 87.9
a building society or money don't build society. Now mo say the last cleanup no na mu yi no. The last cleanup exercise or yeah. And I come here boy. They are my teacher and my brantia. Janna so kama seminar kunkum. Na bo you say you see her kama. Now hearing. Obinim. I was a higher Akoma 87.9.
Akoma
Don't sound about poem. Many of us kum. About Drew. Go.
Yeah.
Let's saying.
And then you, Sir John. Na Yehoah umu ya mobo. Sir John. You better not say BP fi hanopa yenchia ulumai. Yemol my good morning. Na yedana se one pempen so odi abiduru. 2026 mun sem bibiri. Ye shase ni nanu ni nansa.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Yeti ase Yehowa hu yemobo. Yedana se. Amen.
Amen.
Ye wie susu a Sejon. Nyada papa mo aso ase Reverend Dr. Jik.
Yeah.
Na Dr. Champo meboa na Jikum. Papa Jikum meboa. Yes. Ti ono so echia o munyi na mo mpaibo.
Ani asofo a
omo bompaibo.
Yenim ibo ayi hia ne da ente ne nkada. Ano sofo ba ko frɛ be fɛ ne kɛse. Sofo kɛse.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Na misha wo. Misha.
Ebinum nya bre twa ye ho kwan kɔ mountains ko bompai mai.
Nya misha wo.
And you see, as I say, yo me wa hai me ma frusro ha me bompai amamo.
Nya misha wo.
Ti yeda masi.
Nya misha wo. Sejon.
Eno bia o wish you well bia.
Yes.
Obo ho ane dia no bia na huntimi nya bre ehum pa ete. Na mo o wish you well. Da bia o kan sempa gu yetiri so. Kan sempa nya me nhyira mo, nya me mmoa mo, nya me mfa mo nkomadi mo adwuma pa mo ye de mo man Ghana. Ye be koso asom sa.
Sejon enenye. Eneno
Akoma
story bia
FM
dey
87.9
no
Kumasi.
ano.
Enye.
Ena ba koso ho akere no. Enim guase mfata kaniba. Ye be ko. But nenye
Ba ko be na no akire na.
oh se unim biada. Inuru ho ninti. Ye be fa ni slow motion.
Ken.
Odi slow motion. Na kakra dey dru ho.
Ma ayinya adwuma na entry
Sejon
we ya the abobo so ya brantie die ni but there's another story and also so anope na wo ye we am nua bebe mo say we nua interest of story no pa
utu yamu ankwanta eno was central regional Kaswa area on when assembly man dey me ya o nice gentleman pa but
prospect to say
I mean the structure no crowd ogina so no nye bad o nice guy but everyone
Oshana
and no machine so to that point
that she been waiting my be go here no I said the baby now that ambition yeah
that ambition but everyone was say I rehearse me atu no in fact sometimes no be say shas here omo aya omo ben so no who said na one we need in come no okase bi mo se omo te so okase the moment we be na no akasa word no ni kwa say ebusuan na mfo amobete no mo fa no ahongono so o say mo boa no mo ben go bi a be wa adwen so aka na saa keke but na adwen mu ni o ma ekoso na adwen mu no bi a na onim so ntino ye tete saa nyoma na mo me ntina so ye momoden say saa nipa no ye be ben no because no ma bebre ho a ekonipa trimu a e ma ni ko ekodu saa point no so enti ye be say adofo no mo enu edi dwuma ne ade no omomo ye saa kwan but say don saa re wo se mo esi wa wutu ya mo ankwanta ne ha adwen pa pani a wonya bi aduasa ye so ne girl no ti na ni mfoni ne da we ne so
ne yira na ne girl
girl according to story the girl nya ne yira wa ye no ho ade ne girl eno ne ne ti ana yo mo
asem na reho ntina me busa se ni girl na ne asem na reho ntina me busa ne sa
in fact ye so okostra girl no ewo yamo ankwanta ho no na so
okay
na ye okostra no na ja na dwono pese oye you
entry me ba ma tie from na Facebook
87.9 Kumasi
papa ya kana se me singlet wa hai she singlet minim say white and I say and on the right side no oba no a wadin awu no
ne girl no the so called girl in fact almost say oye so be kokwan so no
kwan be so omo de kofa ne ma
say we kasa kwan say me ka
no
person one ne da and oba no so ampni nti ekoye kasa ewo mu ntem say me no beda me so me mpene me no beda ntu ya oba na won say ntoma kwa ne sida ntu ya na be ma ne de nkwa ready so pe say ono oba no ehiem no oba no so ampene ene koya akasa nti akasa no yeso di kan bro no a e de sika kwa twitwa no ena the last point ni say okotam blog de bo ni tri so a you had senior story na actually no the fire bad no na ode blog abobo ababa enim ni tri so ama
aba when
ni age no de wa o man fa bia be ni early 20s o we na almost wo no 30s be man but ahwe obe bro
30 say
be bro be 40s wo be bi
papa is 50 years
50 years
I'm the for them on Facebook be oh be ma jai when in fear pa ni fear wo she papa we be 50 years wo twam
we ababa ni na bia so we 50 dey be obe around be 40s or be bi na
and in the late 30s be late 20s
the esi we uchu yamo ankwanta no yare hosem se John
I'm friend saying
Bema no
aye
Bema de ni din ama oba no mo se din omo de ba ya sister ya edin omo de ba ya
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
in fact na mekọ kwa so na me ma onkwa no so ntokwa bro say bia na bibi fufuro ta chire dia ene yi ni ba for now dia possible eba ene say na apre beto mu ntem fa ena ho asem na ekofa wi no
je say be ma no no nti ho
be ma ne nti ho say we ti ha na we ti nti ono kosra oba
no the same crew na say different crew
no enye the same crew
ono no different town
ono different town
na oba no wo
yamo
nda okọ say
okosra say eja wa ba be sra ne girl nti
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
asa na ye ka say do mo de body ne ko mo sure be man so police for 7 castle fanko district police command ni 7 omo do so mo ye
Ebansin ku we kind of saying
Sir John akwana singlet na ehye no mi oba ku bi wo he said me nhye bio ba ku bi esen
ba ku bi esen no esen say
singlet no
design no
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi bi wo esen no me nhye bio nti eno edidi kan je tosu mi nu Sir John minim am say my bre tu man foa wo muntie
obebre
Sir John my bro
obebre
because a man no metu omofo munwane o obeku omuntie Sir John omuntie
anyway dey say obey otini baby let's say mpana dia say
na ananyo mpana o sabi emma dodo wo omo area we uno target o woni no obibiye entwi kasai o kire mu se o so person ne da eno o se da so emma ni bi ya di o because o hwe papa no butu so a Sir John say we nightmare o
Evans
yes
Twensign
me Twensign Sir John
Twensign
there be we ni nyame abodi ni bia
the why no na ma wo describe the sad
David
say wo ka say
enyi nyame abodi ni bia na de nyame abodi
the why no and bia wo describe the sad dia fine but say wo ka say
me ba wo nuama me wo nuama Sir John manu susu nem so da ko wakosa bro no mu pa na onua baba ko what is say papa pa na on ne ye nya Sir John Sir John oreba minimum minua no wa hwada no o ho so beba wo betu ka kra say nyame ya nhia okwan mu anje o ka na nkusi fia aya o betu afamura enti Sir John ade bi wo ho a minimum de we out here eni man be ni pa boni ni
87.9 Kumasi
minimum on tweda said they mention because Akwa oda hui uhu na ode hwe nani uhu na why say a friend is away law resistant army for no rebel for nibi kon uhu na ni ma tum so nipa boni ni ode he so ode obeka se bia eti formra Facebook no mahwe nipa na ye kana sam Sir John,
I say Sir John, this we bra. Was it we bra? Bra uncle true we ja.
Ye mahwe nipa na ye kana sam no. Hwe ekwan ofa so kun oba no. Watwitwa no, otwitwa no wie no wanwie o. Kyese wakunu se kromfo. Atimi afa blocks o. Edi aboniti so wo se Facebook no ne policy ni nti no etifo intimi enyewi mbie so ma omonhwe the extent of damage basanke aden ka Facebook page na bia enya no patututu pa na uhu ya masa untimi nyina no obi bawo obi nua ba ebi kro obi maame wo isi ekwan ofa so yi ni fi wiase na ya sebi se ukoko ofuo kura na obetwa gya atum a ubeku nipa ne sa se wo ho asore wo pe ba bi di afa wanfa mawo enti woku no na ne kwahya wolae it switch you say ne de okotwia
87.9
Oga is sweet oh.
yes Sir John ade bi wo ha 2026 yan so bi o but na utimi kunipa ya sa twitwa no uwia wafa blocks e de aboniti agi e de na maaye so just say e ma de na maaye o maaye dey so me de minim nyame trimu de minim de wi nyame dwene
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Nanso so meje di se otewo no hwe nima bi si ya obi no ne ho so oyi obo oba de ma bema because mema ni bitiri mo de mema ni bitiri mo de
that papa I'm sorry late 30s we
so what you say
eja ya
that way Sir John obi nipa boni ni late 30s ko betiri yes
Bonnie team many passes some.
So what you say no betiri in late 20s kura but we akoyi oda ho ya se nipa o se den you
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Yitina adron to say alien
Nyamba Trevor.
Oh dear upa gogo alien no monfanto ade ne so hwe ni hwe ni tin na hwe alien say difference bi wo. That is what we are talking about. Adentina ni pentimi nshi omho so Bible can say bufu e ma ade nchi obufu so in fact okay 10 commandments na e kaseti ya meda se woje obi nkwan free ni nsem Exodus 20 ho baby kaseti ya
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
it's a 2013 or so Moses moment or so e kaseti ya meda se woje obi nkwan free ni nsem
Ko Facebook na kai kusi Benjamin
so just say we be na ya make no and last time Marfo beche your friend say we brotherhood na beche me awe no ye mehwe die baako dia ye oba ye mehwe na so nua baabi no no a so Sir John ewu bi ada owu na ewu bi ho ya okuni party se kromfo fa bro di bonity
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Sir John fa blocks e di bonity na sabio se waware oba no mpo a onye slave onye wa fena mema ntie nie pa o ware oba no onye wa fena no so eya ware no aba untimi nya no se de ope se o you slave So we will slave. We yen in the open. Boom money be. Me say bema bia with me to oba. Didn't attempt to ne or your potential bitter. Because that chrono, it do level bia. Obebo obeton is our ban so. And na bema bia we bia so what you more. Utimi etini pa. We bema utimi to oba ho. O girlfriend to me dinner tem. We dinner tem to turn home basa. So what you know, more ha. Because bema de nyame kopon hye da boy say ya dwene mudu. Etini e Adam's apple. Say enema bi eboboba na say ebure so a ye mene
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Na moda me oye di na se medwa en meet me akọ ne namwa mabeda se me di watem abo akwase de eni me tu fun ama anyone am the phone back will be a war.
Okay.
So
disturbing.
Very disturbing. Me see Sir John, we are we obi te ho na ye bu obi. O baby wo ye bu obi. Was in be me mu odin ti metena ho saa. Ne be me mu odin ti metena ho saa.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Oh, na champion. Good morning, Sir John. Indeed, akwa no hu pa.
We are my pabonini.
Benjamin Fancy say, well, so the man is wicked. They am kwan or beya ya or the block. In fact, you see, because of policy, Facebook and internet. Yes, but blog no blog no said another blog not half no part be no who said that's wrong. Until Osha I say Nana Berma Akomia Bema Mechiao I say the same thing that happened with German South in the Bono region because of cashew farming. The man is dead and the wife is critically in the hospital. And who did that is in the police custody. Well, I don't know which one I'll come was there, but I'll say good morning, sir. There is a Hong Kong movie. Mm-hmm. This man resembles one monk, very serious.
So you know monk Nidiana we see amwa monk Nidia secret. So
I get it.
That is there.
I get it. I get it.
No, I'm fair to them.
Kwabnanje was I was a nightmare pa. Evans
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Well, how do you?
No, sir.
But and then for Isham Al Hassan. Ebafia. Ama yenene di nkomo. Nkomo bebre ni bedi. So we saw a presidential staffer. Ewo region mu.
Ufrabuchawa.
Wabedru. Nti obeba. Ne. Block.
Ne until ono awunim dada. Omwa ne ho.
Obewa wai.
Yem pet cities.
Maybe cities
one more the I am.
Cities when munyam.
And the cities when refuge. And the cities when munyam. And the cities when munyam pampa cities when the cities why do.
And ra send me bag bit pes be that card. And ra confirm and be na. 10 $10 be
$10
4 be.
And I had it.
I'm a friend. We knew who.
Well, Woodru, I love our summer. Who is a na me catch us a me pay a year friend saying site biato a platform biato a track a tracking platform biato na me call bank na monsieur odie ka omo ense sami CDC bi mame na mintimi mfanto me Mastercard mam tom de bi ti say okoto dollar ni bi na de ba bank o say John ka krebi na me piu
na me siri o
omo yes kana me tom
me munyam ti aka sabre nka akokra
en munyam
bi ani we Emi share obi na money bia.
Oh,
ni me yo ka. Akoya mama.
87.9 Kumasi.
Enti isi ọba
your business.
ha dwun.
Ma wu se binyame nkopon mre ya. Omre yen nipa.
Yeah.
Yen ye bebre ya ho. Yen sentu manefo. Me say akwa na ne no. Was started dan suban bi edi. Wone ne kasa na otreche ne nsa de be wo wani.
Woni abanchi.
Jai no. Bra me pebia ma. Jai no ne bra.
Jai no.
Ai, unja na chidi. Bra kuma FM me am pe responsible man
So
about.
ba send yourself say aware for dia. Say
aware for. No, listen. You see.
One more busiama.
One more busiama no mungu aware no.
Oh.
No, listen. Your life matters. Aware and funny pan ko heaven. But a nipa kobo nsem gem entem. So just say. What your aware say ukunu no ebo. Osu ashokawa. Kokatu abusuafo ne gya aware no na pe wo ba bitina. Wongu. Obi osu na me menti. Wakaka che sofo se sofo. De be man de ye me ne nye osetena ho.
And they are now.
Meanwhile, so sofo bi mo megya omo yire nom. O megya omo yire nom because omo yire mo ha omo megya omo. But wo asori ba no ka che osetena ho. Meanwhile, so be man ikum. Jai no. Ne po ba bitina.
Well, yeah, that's it. Evansinkum, thank you.
Say John afi mami mra ayi ho no say eja. The other shots here. Ni say nke be shame finfini bia na nke akọ ice. Ayi akoi. Chimpanzee yidie. But my yemra yachi. Say yidie no. Me nyanka bi. Ayi kadi ho no.
Kade nkwada no. Me anope me nuanum teacher for no message so mo send e
wan kasa kra no o kasa no. Na me firi ma pa. So we teacher ni.
Oh.
Say John, a system no na ama na basa. Open country, one country, you teacher for Ghana. Pow, Ghana, he, a buying, ko, omu teacher for. A buying be aba umu teacher ni.
Nanka yasemuni.
Eti teacher for no. Ya no, you say we na ko China and UK. Because he, sika ye de mano. Ubenya ne mansion. Say John, isi mansion. Teacher for team.
Teacher can ye.
It's a mansion.
I will have fine.
China obesi mansion.
Can you mansion? Can you nice had
Baby me say. Un say me shall me preamble and say teacher for no is almost China in UK. And I'm the two to say sika de more mono. It's a mansion. Because China sika obejin a month. UK sika obejin a month. Unya Canada crowd and we cry. But what is China panu mutria pa? Sika o jene month no.
China ko chere brofo na.
Yes. Yes. 1 month per obesi mansion. So they say, but ha no. Penin be ka cho say we teacher ni a unye sikani. Ye teacher ni ye di be yi. But teacher ni na chere na de.
Fanyi.
Eti teacher for no ye muo mo e wo man Ghana ye mu teachers. The bia omo ko strike. The sitter for now resume. You see? Yes. You more teachers for no. But politician ni bia or parliament bia for teacher in some.
Someone can be my own.
And so me and some could do parliament, someone can be my teacher for.
One person come Kobano, de Bio Media.
Yes.
87.9.
So, correct teacher for bra or more bre. Share uni me say. Me real hoye me madam for back watch makwa homa we teacher ni chira de me person go school ni di na last year sometime November or we so December ni mu say October ni mu na o marke enkra na wasi paper sim say John unim de mo paper now oh Jesus me say John is it 2 cities? Paper back could be say 2 cities or 20 cities. So no, new 20 cities. A new 20 cities. It will be me a market be a 100 papers or so. Na Sir John or number 50 Ghana cities. Sir John.
any mark any
immigration no
I no crown so it me come and then come me sure say why for crime
it me come so it me come say John a teacher for us it me tue omo cat say doctors because doctor no be doctor no teacher ni na train there
Akoma
say the difference me say ya na bi more I other professionals no omo ayi ni bi wo ha omo allowances e ka ho mo sika no koso
so ade no mo do munya allowances ade no munya allowances ni bi
na say no mo dey ayi bi
meje
professional allowance bi ba
new nat president na waba no prosper there di
prosper na oye your college secretary Wesley College
prosper there you see
it's all about president
my can we there ban say omutu so ho a no my omo MPP ni NDC it win him that has been their problem teacher for problems ne labor union dem get ne teacher for asem on problem pa your leadership no onyako frudu so ho a no align it so it is our NDC ni say NDC wona help am it will ko ne ho NDC ni a okwa no akwaje ne de na me ne microphone be kasa we de demonstration ntimi emma so de bia emma so na fi nti wa ono no GADD ni nti no ne refi ne microphone no eti wa be wa adwen say obe ye we against leadership no ni crash out nti ne di they can't talk
Akoma FM
me say Evans communities mi mu ko share. Is it primary school, primary school, oh, and yet primary class 4, class 5 in here, quite a teacher is a me trust squad amount.
Oh, yes.
Class 4.
Yes.
Me trust squad amount.
Yeah, Timia, but now, me, my shemra, se me teacher ni mo.
And pam, who dear go be trust squad amount? Who did you go say about we trust squad amount?
A high America. Yeah, no. The identity and ya ba enu ne ma discipline enu ya dia no Bible kura ka say spare the rod and spoil the child spare the rod and spoil the child unim nyansa chan Bible na ya the western culture and eba Ghana no obi nka say e wo say ye ma teacher for kwan no mo bu obi beku no de bia no ye ntwesa
no
ne mmomu no corporal punishment ye wo so ye wo yi bia so akura obetwa ne to kakra na na adwuna ba fie so ye de no
alapa me nuanom teacher for so what me tia wona no pay o say John
we are not being fair to teachers.
They are not there so
we are not being fair to teachers.
Yet ho sa
politician no jisika kesi teacher ni na chere na de
we have to try bo teacher ni
na say teacher for na beat me ko politician do parliament no mo refi
omochi I see bebre but prosper there was that na te do baby na omo complain say leadership no cry na bi ho mo nchira de da
oh yes any week
yes but prosper owie Wesco
I want to believe
prosper yeah I trust him say obe deliver
you be monitor ne pa
obe deliver also deliver so
because monitor ne pa
prosper me nimu no pa no leadership ade friend leadership from Wesco days ebe kasabri
teacher
I trust him
teacher for adem teacher for ne omomba any future aspiration no akoye say guy man ya na otukwan ena la dan for back on so jimomoni fa show ni me di me ni me mo aye mati jimomoni fa show ni me na ikudu amaje wasu wonje na wanka beje odi momoni enhye ne bag ni megu but the same momoni ne di mo ase fetitu mo amaje eboa
ene ebia wo de ye obi a obe di ne
teacher ni empese ne ba ebe teacher ni
oh yeah Emilia
nyema onam mu ne no empese opa for teacher for na de na pese oba ye
ye be be lines am teacher but wo nye teacher ni a
memfre
me nuanum teacher for the Evans can be sa in fact tie obu okro onye teacher ni but ubusane pa or hwe ne ba school hwe ne yie pa but anya de say
Akoma FM.
anya de say money ba I this teacher adwuma no da Emilia o say hey asemo aha Fred Masha bedru Fred Masha bedru nti me am teacher for Fred
teacher ni bia person ba be teacher ni
nti wo de teacher for no ma me ma teacher for
so ho
mon come ha mo de mon come asem nkyere
eh guess here omujeje
ene kra de nyame adom
guess here omu
ayaba
guess here omujeje kwan hu ofa udru run about here
minim
Akoma FM.
ya maybe o kan minim da chemi
nyame asem
hefa
switch you ofa godin be guess here omujeje ho efa mo ope omo makosa ni school because some person ba no be ba be ye
ai oga is video for
yes
me nua asare ono so we school ono so type asare dey na what type o teacher ni
Pastor John utu okrafo no
Madam Virginia good morning so, Madam retired
utu okrafo no na utu mo monefo
mame no monefo
no
oda mame no monefo nwi mame ne teacher for nkasa nwi
ai yesu a mo so na nsusu bi omo ho teacher for mo so ne student na preges
eno so timi di asemba no kre enti oye teacher ni a ofre number we ho ene e baje se ne oya no waye yi ba cho mi nua teacher for no number ne 0539 199968 me fa be 9 and then me pacho mo ma teacher for kwa no
mo nkoma se unye teacher ni a memfre
0539
so
199968 titia me nua teacher for nyina gusu atwroba
so
Imagine go Chrome South Africa. Imagine na sorry, I mean sorry say none of my children will be a teacher on this earth. Mama Fadi Odikan, good morning.
Good morning, Sir John.
Mini Ambacho, who you teacher ni?
The friend Mr. Obeni teacher ni.
Mr. Obeni wo basic or senior high?
Me pacho mo basic.
Can basic nkomo kire me, dey na ekoso.
Ai, wadaru ma we dey be mo school ni. The teacher no, me ma be teacher ni. If you rufi occupation, the papa so be teacher ni, no do academic kaka. And na me rufi teacher ni. Na ye ka se ka ensema if you see the two enchire wa. We dem say ke de case here ba yi. The video no enchire the students back up. It was Islamic unit. I can be fair. I said body mo jana pra. Bakubi, I will catch hard man. Komu yekono. Akura, sema ya tete hono. Ya kasi ya ka.
Basic. Akwada no say.
Basic. Oso mo jana kra.
O ma jana kra. Na je no nya won fa nche o.
Akura. Na wo ha, awofo no se die susu sansi mu no so. Ya awofo ndi si die nkura no. Akura adwuma na die. Adwuma na
din. Adwuma na din o. Adwuma na din. Asa. Metiase the opeso kanyina nze sikana sa teacher ni en chawadi o
papa ato yenkra was life is more important than marriage.
Yes, no correct. Mami Fawe, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Morning, Sir John.
Yes, madam.
Pacho, Namia Surian come on one of pay.
And counsel, madam.
Sir John, me teacher is nano pay.
Oraho.
Sir John, Bibinti, Mimbo baby, I'm a war. Mamma was shanty region in Portable here. Mimi dear, me try dear, a being told me, but no who various teachers.
Madam Bacho, Chihoka crab be through a video no mamma. And yes, also a man in coffin na yentie was him na. Said the woozy start to cram me Miraho.
Hello, Sir John.
But you metonka.
Me am de bi nto me. Na mom teachers am no more staff so. Oh my encounter that problems ni be there. Say John be brave.
Oh basic and now senior high.
Me wo basic.
Lower na upper. And now JHS.
Me wo upper.
Oh upper.
Aye.
Ebi ya den.
Say John, me can say a teacher ni bi or your madam discipline akora. Parents need the entire family. They attack madam no. To the extent say,
hey, madam, so now no, near Chonho, with a free cry. Why?
hello.
Meet you.
Hello.
Meet you.
I
have it.
Parents no, the entire family. Ebe attack madam no school. To the extent say, omu boni biampo.
Hey!
Me kwa him see say John. Due to some incident and the madam na the transfer echo. Teacher for a brepa. Brepa. It say ama wo de ne say kire wa de Jacolano or the koni fie. Oye ya fine, wanye ya fine.
Can also cry no kwasenke, enu kwasenke yesa o.
Sir John, any points on yes, sir. But me kaisa Sir John, me na me go school no. Teacher need discipline. Now ko complain you cry share mother. The parents cry better discipline more. But say Sir John enti sabi o. Oko discipline na kora. Ube encounter problem. The community will reject you. Even your own staff, crampo, will not defend you.
Madam ya dase my obi so mrana Marfo gina chiri me dase pa se oni a share de ekoso ho Evans enti madam de am wona am kanu me de me ade no enti no se me wura ho a na me wura ho no pay you me ba ma me fa we no gina so ache good morning.
Good morning, Sir John.
Yes, madam.
In your Emilia.
Madam Emilia.
Sir John. Some share with a personal experience.
Share with us, my auntie.
So when you say, Madam de Mania, now me kind former station. I'm a disciplinary quality pana. At the abachi, I may baby drew ye. When my dear bachelor go me table so. What did you myself photo?
Hey,
adia madam meet na make chiro che adia madam yi kan yi eya na eya me ya say situations like that other styles what say yetimi gina ye colleague nechi ni yetimi bua no e defend no so no mo yi omo ho meanwhile omunim say senke yo mu a nka saa nipa kro no wonjae wo mo inti eya na to dia de bia eya me ya na tan kwa sia se mu ya
ya
okay kakra saa nyoma we ya kokko so no wo parents no ekika ho omo ka ho pa because from the experience amemi nya no at the end of it all no parents no instead of like almost had to fear no more did matem. But me name family who because community and me ko a curiosity and for shame one son and me pia bano enye easy.
I see.
Until now, me free one obia was shame man.
Wow. Now just say how no musuba nti acheche for cramp person be call.
That is it.
Madam Emilia that's it. Mami fa last call am pacho. Na fi yin wa na telemeka no food machaba be drew na yahwe na yedim come last call any good morning.
Good morning, Sir John.
Yes sir.
What are you saying?
Una na what na there way?
Sir John, men study Batmo school blue. Me yek mama father be was school blue. Mrs. Nabaga said one win the Batman hun pakono. Sir John, the same ko na aban won uju mechi a won. Bain for bonim. me ka time me go school eh you miss a teacher ni bi nsa ono ma me ka school se si wo bu akwara bia na ma me ni fifie any teacher ni bako there was a time nkwara me ni ya de na ba ko bu ba ko no ba ko no ko fia ko fo zongo fu abo school mu wo so mo bu teacher ni ade ntina teacher ni no wa nka kan cha akwara no so
Matias
akwara no ma me fo no ye wo school na enye
Matias
especially me zongo especially zongo from nye
me da se me akra no se ade ebuo no me ya pam pen mpacho yentimi fa ofreni bia bio adaro ma momfa nche ye bre no ye de bre na ye adwuma nti munya afre why na ma so bi ebi ye SMS ya check ma me na teacher ba ko SMS ni message abana ehwe mpacho munya afre why na ye ntimi fa bio Evans
Akoma FM 87.9
and then the nyamienum no kura yakan bia ma mo pa teacher for nti next time no se bia eye no makai ne se ba ni kan bi ma wo mo so ho kade boys no ya na ha dwen se awiefo ma no so anwemfo ma no ene ya na ye stop so na maame no kade Sergeant unim da me kwa akra no itia tra anyinem
okay
itia tra anyinem me akakra medru I think osino na me lucy mokra enti yanchia wo mo ho nyina once a yewura anyinem dru sino de I'm tempted to believe say kade so yewura ho kakra enti maame a wo ho nana bedem eno de nana be
o se nana o ham
evident bibri ha no nkra ye
evidence omo jatum say
judicial prosecutor ni be use and I say akwai republic versus nana ne nkrofo enti attorney general ni be use
okay me da say
yentie manefo
mami yenkoye ni
but who say o he ade a me wie who say o he ade a wo hu papa bia ho
ba ku bi na mu zo no
na papa
but me nim say ne papa dia ba ku bi a obitwa mu dia na o he video na
this much to be desired
say hu de bezo
so yeah
ebu ho mo mpene
yes
they are not national name
yes
yes and na jano
papa na jano papa na tia ba no bia o mpene
right my uncle him or say a friend Mr. Kennedy Chichiku be teacher okumase ya na me crowd dey my regret say be teacher ni say me hwe say dey teachers pa ye o mo school mu a parents bus school be hard na in fact
87.9 Kumasi
me ba dey na me tifie ma ba kokra na me ba na oh yeah dey say dey on crowd right okay right Evans ye ba be adwuma bi ansa na ye ne ishama she enkomo na se ye de say am ye tie for na nkasa report you they are reporting live
good
live video we have video
makosha kwentu mache
won wa yira say no
anyway
asem binti enti we have video free offense aba
good
na MCU wa homa no so
yes
na mini ka ma na kwa aba amo Frank ho ye de mbacho ye da se we citizen report enti gina so na tie report no na boy na yenya no ye wan
Sir John Pacho Shade Kakro State BJHS ini efa hanso ye primary Pacho astrotef nini ano ye MC buy no so obetu ho na mo ye MC buy Sir John he adene e dey avo sagusu efu esre MC ombo mode amba ye maye ọma wuro yini medani wiya kesi ezi ade we so ma enye best na taxpayers money ene dia ye no mama ye mmoka wi esre MC yo maye maye
Mempotamu right mempotamu enti we ye mempotamu report chief so offense boko
offense nyankopon adom offense dem ya tumi the call. I'm not asking you not to be right with an offensive year. I
see. Now, so far, what's mediated the almost prepare normal situation is the same.
So now, but I mean, no and traffic. Then we are not able to be able to situation yet. The main reporter speech. We are not the Banana, the official in the we are not the the situation is run. So now I'm thinking now, the careful, I have a couple of Obama or more home. The Convention depends on you and Pocona, the call much. And that 15 months or so, no more picture, I will fit an a good serious. This should be a big age, and this should be a stable. You see, now you go to a panel, this is under oxygen. But so far, I think the condition or more air go back a crack, encouraging. The friend is not called by the athletes this year, and the core factor. The core another car, I am machine, so it can be a home maybe right. And now they are public now decided where we are. Basically, now for the kind getting it. They were looking the kind of empty master. And I was later a few another part of one and another. But so we are only a thing which is, we know that when kind of no ideas here and the design control and buy and run. Now, if we understand that we have to be an almost somewhere in the hope and away. Now, it's so that we are now, we will so that we don't want to be almost looking at our country. Now, we need to so every good media, we don't want to look and a lot of measures will be put in place.
Okay, so my memory back to the story. AstroTurf, no. I state A or state B. Good. Area bay. Me office me more plenty one area no area there. Why headmaster was at school? Yeah, I can't answer.
School. If you open it into one of the market, as a member of you have for 10 years.
And just right of yeah, you can once some time by now or more. Started this project.
Yes, that's almost starting a summer. I think when I 2-3 months, I'm my 2024 and my entity about
2-3 months to elections.
Yes, no, they'll be 2 months to the elections. Number 30. I have to call you one thing. That is the only place where I work community man, every year as well. Every year. One part of the sport and other part of it. So, in terms of sports, now, yes, not facility is very nice, very good looking. The back of the normal concerned by the commercial buffet, a bit maybe before the problem when I handled my school. I was starting on my friends home. Every gravel of different, so now I cut the next of the Semoco. Now you say a man of a try. If you know now, you potential trouble here. A man from Marfo. Now, you know, so now you're nearly putting in place. You officially taking over on the 4th of May 2025. And I'm taking over MC. But by an international school, my head open, not happening to my house. Because this is the community now. That is my community as well. You see, I'm calling, the first thing I'm doing is from consult assembly line. Now, I'm going to how far I'm the better assembly document. You see, you're contact number. I'm a friend. The minute I council, I was still not convinced. It's not from common sense. You could be a small kind I would say, or more, you know, your audience, and about sort of team. Now, consultants in a company now, agents in a way, man, agents in
agency now, one day project in a man or so on.
Also, they do it with nothing, you will be good from there, and I'm the same young. That is how I am. Of course, after me, I insurance agency. You see, and now about a call, now I read this agency with my family, the case of that. Agency, you see, I want to be via the Enigma. contract and catch the ya can be just a be a just a number. The fair document is information about the aspect of the France limited the video. It's the minimum point this year. And the Wako schedule is one. By I did be abandoned. I don't know, assume, and I said, I will be open to the different moments, and I don't know. A minor, and as I say, you don't have to look at the view. And now, we have a first to a policy legacy project today. I've been a 111 family. Last year, it was started 10
Okay.
Back in the America, nearly starting project last, legacy project only 6.
Okay. Project we can be.
Project we enter a series of projects in our area. The year we market legacy project there. Getting to the latter part of last year, the women, you know, contractor cohere, no study. The technical committee is better look at it. Now you have other area, now you have like a contractor.
Okay.
If possible, now you have a legacy project.
Contractor there or contractor na. Okay.
One number now many good almost every day.
And the source of funding no na minimum say document or home there source of funding no if you have
or source of funding now government of Ghana and fund the through that agency no.
And agency no any ho. The says can crack the agency no crack. Okay. But what is the assurance? Assurance been out of my as we speak because we had this video my I'll say a honey food. Apart from some Quadania baby and Yagrono and school no what kind of that area. And when we are then more here to protect the area, said the bear. I live because social born a guso and say Janu say yeah, not just say one. Quadan baby also commudia go credit private or money 1, 2. Your Jama project no so the sky investment be kumuno. Eh kwa. E dey na obey any assurance be na o de my.
You can anyway afternoon so the very good rapport but you don't come say you can call us. At least you say you are for maybe of the school and the work. We are who so e have more on which we are harmful to community members and Kenya. Kenya correct now you see at the place when we give them in the degree. You can create a service. But we are you put your problem in this now we are crossing them now. So everybody a boy at home so now we do our limit here. The color to get now. So the boy at home so there then we never come back to or my national now we mean for kasa. Yeah, we have a community no any community we media go.
Okay.
And community we media go. See you say all work and make the Jack and Doughboy. And me as a former head of the school, I think I will be the last person here. But I'm not always. Until we bring our power as a family, any of my buy with this video, they say we are not back to life. Now, sports activities, of course, we will do.
Okay.
And we will say, if you are on our project now, you will never the course involved. So now the double so I will do. So double so the big track of Nassana,
that's fine. Okay, Chief, that's it. Yes, you anybody actually. Why? That's right. In Jabusia, maybe I want to, yes, you report to us. I mean, send you the Kosovo project, and I say, BB Kosovo, see a drum penny for attention to. Number is 0539 199968. WhatsApp 0539 199968. Now also for video bra. Oh yeah, baby chrono my they say community now woman district no any project chrono ujina ho no. No me hu. O de ba. We have others or chena nyame adom a. Ye nya bre ne so no ya twempanifo adwen akoso na bibia fine. Evansinkum.
Eno asem twa ba ko bi.
There him. Yeah, Breno.
I would have been the will be a man. Yes.
Now, so my baby, I
Brad Daha.
Mammy Chama Homra. Mammy Chama Homrana, Ford myself, so crab bedroom, nothing. Yes, I'm common. I see. Therefore, chair home best, maybe you know about it.
Midimafo, pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo, pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo herbal clinic abakra. And you won't hear passengers a gumi kai me. A hana do one aircraft. Hey, and the sacran and put them at the mo. And yet the Mwampa. The said here, Atlantic International University, America Memo, about Dr. Dujanfi Abasu, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, I am more. Oh, Mr. Minim wife, your copa war. 1 year, 1 city. You send the 2 months and 8 years cano. Miss Mukonesina and said, Uncle ye, na a sakakra. To say what Peggy Mama, what you have them. Conesina, what you are about the crow. Stroke so dear, what found small. Just say, I did the one who any dear Siano. Yari B.I. Tatia, and Dr. Tandaso and the so. Diabetes, hepatitis B, prostate, hypertension, malaria. Yari B.I. Kumasi say, who are go? Opposite government school. And then Krahanso, other PM, or Pokuase, Mayra Kwanoso. For a doctor, 0244 774 282. Number 0500 727215. Midimba for Herbal Clinic. Midimba for Newa. Hanyako, Abusapani Abekasa, a tituni Emano, a man, Monso Moka. Abusapani Kasa. Yo, Abusachaman, Bedasi, Yandishia ye, said the Bashir Yan Munamunti. Yet the whole contract na Asher, God's Way Funeral Home for Sa. God's Way Funeral Home in Sudi. What were you, Husia Humpa? Anne, what on my money broche a fundaka, added that a fruit said your man for a new de Panabran, what Yasser Pepe, ambulance, and the car papa, what if you poor bearers, and Brantia was sure through the march here, and shrin as ye dear, a fruit taddy, look at the foreign picture roller boards, video coverage, make a day, God's Way Funeral Home, was our sound system, Kete Adwa, live band, our catering services, and when we are new yasi, and was so for our young for some, our MCs for occasion be event be a God's Way Funeral Home there. Just everything under one roof. It was a penny. Where the entrance of you, God's Way Funeral Home, no, I need the right company, no. Now, you be away, or Commercials of Fuleba, can you cook about the Dano and share Nimua? Mudra Mumusa Ankrato, and I'm on Fre 0322 006 221, and 0243 73 74 57, and 0266 1946 78.
Right, you are back. Akoma 87.9 FM. Don't pass it. I say opposite the police station. Na ebiem kese pa speakers kese pa ezi ebie mu anya sem ketwa. Enti ebazinkum I don't pass it ha don't pass it.
And this man fast food. Quite so
this man fast food.
And carry a kwemu ho they call SDA ho. This man fast food. Yeah.
So finally, there now idea no.
Kenneth Oforiata. Man, baby, or no Abba.
Ehoni.
Wabi. And yes, who now no one who. Or said I'm back kumo. And also the no. I'm back kumo. You see, oh baby, this year quiet. Aqua will be manso. Share we see bra. Ghana emre adwuma so gift your wire so by ono so de hey sir he came eventually she came obi anchi na airport oba ye de ade ne ball no call man bill onam ne baby
but we say normal lawyers say we say the way normal nti my man nya yi bia normal
anya normal bi de nti man nya normal ni say I said de no mo ye no eye nim gwasesem so say ye twon dese ye doko tum you detain you are ball. So
yes, next month.
Yes, and train say you do back up because in was sempa on who dine or what the bakum.
O se bakum na with them.
Yet you are on them. Yet you
are down the deny or down also.
Yet you are with them.
America for
so yes was more
you
have no idea yeah only call American prison anyway no yeah you who say you will but massa treatment here the man you have no idea it is not the best
okay
and you kura no say bia wo chembe ho bi o Ghana
yeah
Kenneth Brawati bra Bibia nyo so when you here when you problem why Bibia nyo nkwa no akodem so bra why say John otie mi bra what bra bra
Anyway, many are Koyo Poku, Chris Fashion. Utie. Now you know, they now come once a now come once a
nice one.
Chris. Now crazy. Them not crazy. Or yeah, we be mount.
It's the order child. Upi. Only be mache. Say near come once a me.
Now Chris, Unipau.
Me away. Tell me all your power, Jimska.
Boss, what change? DJ Ike is what you. DJ Ike is what you.
DJ Ike, yes.
I was what you. Na and so what?
Yes.
So and so chair. On also on nam don't pass. You also my BM.
You chat don't pass it for.
Chair mo pa. Opposite the police station.
Cantonment for me. Yeah, you move from cantonment. Omutie. Inti yencha.
The Kenneth Brefie. Why? Mami Chesika Panzi ni Sikapa.
Yes. Kenneth Omrefi.
I say why dear pa na.
Na bisi isi plano Omrefi ni si yache no. Inti ami ama eden obebefie. Senko odi say nya wo na do pebeba o. So omudo beba. So but you see, say no so busa. The only good thing a woman is so busa say sisi yemfa nko hen. A branch ba kwa na no baba so na kopie mo South Africa.
Ene na
we uti anye yene do kokongwa e ho so na ntokwa ekoso yi. Ene
na fatala nie. Fatala no.
Eno antontom stubborn. Ewura metwen me fatala no on famra.
Ewura di nyankopon. We fatala
eno na see you tie. Emanfo etwitwa videos bibre dey buy. I think say you see de omobetimi arane this ade we.
Send ye the ideas.
For video ni bra.
Na ye ma we.
So yes, for video bra.
Nebeje fufu.
So enti
fatala no ekum ntontom.
Yes.
Emma omo amoa omo so ne na
down. Yes.
Bia pamunyina. Everything ekum omo. Fatala. Na esa food marshal cry no so cry family member. Fatala member. Nti food marshal fatala member. O de no an odi wo e woni fie o. Anu me na se wan kona. Nti bomade so be na
konye. Yes, benya fatala.
Insecticide spray. O coil no de wutimi de si wan kona. Na so se wan kona. Bibia si.
One time for your mind.
Nya de na nkwada no ntimi ndem. Na wo ye age se wo mamu pie na debi. Fatala. Na ura shop bia na busa no so ni bia kanye so ni serious o ba so be adwuma media o nye si na we serious cry
we provision shop na on ni fatala dia
yeah
o ye ne say
number is 0599315600 0599315600 abusa ebra no so say edi nkomo na abanzinkum
ye
food marshal na bedru no
yes marshal bedru
staffer
say
your kind one
honorable Isham Obesie he needs no introduction
yeah
because or you'll be